Welcome to this beautifully maintained sun-drenched private oasis less than 10 minutes from the beach and Jersey Shore. This two-story Tudor-style home is 3/4 beds, 2.5 bath and is located within 1 block of the Atlantic City Country Club and close to the bike path. The first floor has an open floor plan which consists of an oversized great room, dining room and eat-in kitchen. The kitchen has upgraded cabinets, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. There is also a double-sided gas fireplace between the attic and dining room. You have an oversized master suite with a large soaking tub, private shower, dual sinks and a 2-sided fireplace. There's also updated flooring in the master bed. There is another full bath and second bed which could be used as an office. There is an abundance of light coming in from the numerous windows throughout the home. The second floor has a large loft which could be a 4th bed. This overlooks the great room and dining room. The third bed is a nice size and has a half bath. Your outside features include an enclosed front porch, perfect for having your morning coffee. There is a large, fenced lot with an oversized lot with gorgeous foliage, plants and trees with added privacy, along with numerous gardens which provide tranquility and serenity. There is a beautiful in-ground pool with an outdoor serene setting which can host many families and friends. There is a gazebo with a wraparound shed to store your tools and this covers your pool equipment. The 2-car oversized detached garage west/loft is great for storage. The left side of the garage has a mechanic's pit which is perfect for the car enthusiast. The driveway allows for 4 to 5 cars comfortably and there is plenty of parking on the street too. You can watch the sunrise over the skyline, the sunrise by the bay.